In this short tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to recover deleted messages or chats on Messenger. Now let's say you accidentally deleted your entire conversation with someone on Messenger. You don't have to worry about anything. You can still get it back. To recover it back, simply tap onto the Menus button at your bottom right and head to Settings. Scroll to Account Center. Here head to your Information and Permissions. You just want to tap on Download your information. You then want to tap on Download or Transfer information. Here, mark on specific types of information. Now, since we are only interested in recovering our deleted chats, only mark on Messages. Then tap on Next. Here, select on Download to Device, and then lastly, tap on Create File. Your request will automatically start processing, and they will notify you when the message file is ready to download. This doesn't take long. In that message file, there's a section of recently deleted chats. You will see chats that were deleted in the past 30 days. Well, that's how easy it is to see deleted chats on Messenger. And if you find this video helpful, consider subscribing to our channel for more informative tutorials like this one.